humidity 76%. Wind south at 14 miles. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 32, effective until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following parishes: in Louisiana: Ascension, East Baton Rouge, East Feliciana, Iberville, Livingston, Grand Coupee, St. Helena, Tangipahoa, West Baton Rouge and West Feliciana, and Wilkinson, Mississippi, and Lake Pontchartrain and Lake Maurepas. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. These are the ones